Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie at 4 o'clock, a little after 4. I usually have been doing them between 4 and 4:30 or so. I'll give everybody a few minutes to join in. I appreciate it. Hope everybody had an awesome Valentine's Day yesterday. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there. Everybody's joining now. I see lots of people coming on. Hello, Linda. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. We had an awesome, busy weekend. Not only was it Valentine's Day, but it was also today's President's Day as well. So it's kind of like a double whammy weekend. Hello, Alicia. Hello, Sean. Hello, Jim out in Washington, Ellensburg, Washington. Hope all is well out there in Washington, Washington State. He is in Ellensburg. Good friends of ours out there. He has an awesome couple of restaurants out there, wing places, and check it out if you're ever out in that area. Hello, Sean. Hello, William. Thank you, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. Hope everybody is doing well. It is cold and rainy and icy here. Aroma Time is open tonight, so if you are coming out, please be careful. We do have our new $9.99 takeout special available. We actually added a vegan special and a regular special, non-vegan. So we have $9.99 takeout only. Good all week until next Sunday. Remember, we are closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, so our $9.99 special is a pulled pork sandwich, or you can have 2 vegan bratwursts, and I think Marcus is going to be putting sauerkraut on the side of that, so you have those 2 options. And tonight, of course, is our wing night, so it's buy one, get one free wings to go. So all of our specials are takeout only. We are open for regular dinner as well. We do have some tables. Of course, they are social distance. We ask that if you do get up out of your seat, that you do keep your mask on. We don't want to be the police, but we need to make sure that everybody is being safe out there. And let's see, so those are available all week. And if you are taking out, you can order off of our regular menu as well. So those are lots of great options for you. Marcus will of course be continuing his Facebook Lives in the morning, so check him out, watch him in the morning. I usually do the afternoon. We kind of balance each other out. And I do more of the cocktail and tell you the specials, and he does more of the educational stuff. So today I am going to be making a Catskill Manhattan. I love Manhattans. You know, Manhattans are 3 ingredients typically. So usually a bourbon or a whiskey. You could make a Manhattan with anything. I've done it with fig vodka. I've done it with a bourbon. I've done it with whiskeys. You could make them up. That's the fun part. When you're home, make up your drinks and experiment. That's really fun. Me, I have a lot of bar stuff to play with, so I'm always, coming up with cool and interesting drinks to bring to you and also to our restaurant. And some of them become really big hits and they get on our menu. And some of them, people just come in and say, hey, I want this drink. Can you make it for me? I had somebody yesterday ask me for a drink I made last week. I couldn't even remember what was in it. I made it for her and she sent me an email today thanking me and telling me how good it was. So I guess it came out pretty good. So hello, Mary Kate. Hello, Matthew. Hello, Adam. Thank you everybody for watching. So Marcus and we were at Prohibition Distillery, which is now called Do Good Distillery in Roscoe. We stopped there on Thursday, had an awesome tour and tasting with Brian, the owner. He's awesome. If you ever have the opportunity to meet him, very knowledgeable. Him and Marcus, they have so much to talk about. It's amazing. So I'm going to be using their bourbon whiskey. So I'm going to add 2 ounces of the bourbon. So the 3 ingredients that I was talking about before: bourbon, bitters, and sweet vermouth. And if you know me, my Manhattans, I add a 4th ingredient. I love the Marciano cherry liqueur from Luxardo. It's awesome. So add that to your Manhattan next time you make it. Sorry, I was reading Sean's message. Don't worry about the bad review. 9 out of 10. on your worst day. Keep smiling. Oh, thanks, Sean. I appreciate that. Yeah, somebody wrote a bad review about last night. You know, Marcus and I say quite a bit that Valentine's Day you get all sorts of people that come in, and you never know. They may never have been to our restaurant before. They don't really understand what we're about. But those of you that are joining me kind of know what we're about. You know, farm to table. We really care about you. We care about the ingredients that we're using, even behind the bar. So thanks, Sean. I appreciate that. So I'm going to add a cherry. This is a filthy cherry. I will add that to my glass. I like cherries in my Manhattans. So I added 2 ounces of bourbon. I'm going to add 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. I'm going to add a couple of splashes of Hella bitters. This is bitters out of Brooklyn. I'm going to add about 10 drops. And I'm going to add a splash of cherry liqueur. So hello, Ralph. Thank you. Ralph saying something. Sorry, late. Yes, they can mess with Aroma Thyme Farm to Table. You guys are, oh, they can't mess with us. Thank you, Ralph. I appreciate that. I'm going to shake my Manhattan. And I like my Manhattans on the rocks, so I'm going to put some ice in my glass. And I'm going to pour it in. Hello, Robin. Hello, John. Thanks, everybody, for watching. And there you have it. My Catskill Manhattan made with Do Good Bootlegger bourbon, sweet vermouth, and bitters, Hella bitters. So you can use any bitters that you have, and Luxardo cherry liqueur. So let's go ahead and taste. Cheers, everybody. This by itself is really good too, this bourbon. It's really awesome. He did a whole taste, Brian did a whole taste test with us when we were there. And he was explaining, you know, you just need a couple of drops of water in his bourbon. So let's see. Thanks everybody for watching. Those of you that are just joining, our $9.99 special for the week is pulled pork sandwiches. We also have a vegan special, 2 vegan bratwursts with sauerkraut, $9.99. It's Monday night, buy one, get one free wings. Thursday night is our $9.99 burger special, and the pulled pork and the vegan bratwurst are available all week until Sunday. We're closed Tuesday, Wednesday. Our grocery store is available. If anybody would like to come in and buy groceries, wine, beer, liquor, peanut butter, cashew butter, chocolate covered raisins, fruits, veggies, things like that, make sure you email me, info@aromatimebistro.com. Give me a call, make sure I know the order is there, and we'll set up a time for you to pick it up. Our grocery store is available for you to just come in and walk in as well. And that is it. Hope everybody has an awesome night, and cheers, and I'll see you tomorrow.